Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Obi Math Study Care. My dear students, in the previous class we have discussed about the exercise 2.3 on class 7 English version. In the previous class we have discussed about the board, bus or train related problem. Now today we again discuss about the a problem about work and about board. Now, dear students, come to solve the problem. In our CQ1 or first problem, a boat can travel 6 kilometer in still water. A boat can travel 6 kilometer in still water. Against the current, 6 kilometer travel the boat. It needs to thrice time. That means it's need 3 hours. Our first question, what is the speed of boat? What is the speed of boat against the current? Our second question, what is the velocity or what is the speed of boat along with current? Our third question, how much time needed to travel 50 kilometer along with current where first two hours travel in still water. Now solve the problem. Dear students, our first problem, 6 kilometer travel. Listen to me. 3 times, that means in 3 hours. In 3 hours, the boat travels 6 kilometer along with current. Sorry, against with current. Against the current. Against the current. In 3 hours, boat travel 6 kilometer. In the question, in the stem, it has been said that in against the current, the boat need to 3 times to travel 6 kilometer. That means in 3 hours. In 3 hours, the boat travel 6 kilometer. Therefore, in 1 hours, the boat travel 6 by 3. That means 2 kilometer. 2 kilometer. This is the speed of boat against with current. Answer 2 kilometer per hour. 2 kilometer per hour. Now, dear students, our second question. Question on B. Question on B. We know that speed of boat in still water 6 kilometer and speed of boat along with against with current 2 kilometer. 2 kilometer. Speed of boat in still water. Speed of boat. Speed of boat in still water. Still water 6 kilometer per hour. 6 kilometer per hour. Speed of boat in still water 6 kilometer. So we can write speed of current. Speed of current. We can write speed of current. How can we get the speed of current? If we subtract the speed of against with current against with current 2 kilometer from the speed of boat in still water. Still water speed থেকে যদি আমরা কারেন্টের against with কারেন্টের স্পিডটা আমরা সাবট্রাক্ট করি, then we can get the speed of current. Speed of boat, speed of boat still water minus against with current. Speed of boat against with speed of boat in still water minus speed of against with current. Speed against with current, against the current. Now dear students, we can write 6 minus 2 kilometer per hour. That means 4 kilometer per hour. This is the speed of current. This is the speed of current. Now we can write the effective speed of boat along with current, or speed of boat along with current. Speed of boat, speed of boat along with current, along with current. What will be speed of boat in still water and speed of current? 4 kilometer. That means 6 kilometer and 4 kilometer, 10 kilometer. তাহলে speed of boat along with current equal to 6 plus 4 kilometer per hour. That means 10 kilometer per hour. This is answer. 10 kilometer per hour. This is the speed of boat along with current. Dear student, can you understand it? আমরা কি বুঝতে পেরেছি? Here the speed of boat in still water 6 kilometer. So speed of current, how can we get the speed of current? Is current speed আমরা কিভাবে পেতে পারি? The speed of current equal to speed of boat in still water minus speed of boat against with current. কারেন্টের এগেইনস্টে যে স্পিডটা থাকে সেই স্পিড যদি আমরা স্টিল ওয়াটার থেকে সাবট্রাক্ট করে দিই, সেই ক্ষেত্রে উই গেট 6 minus 2, 4 kilometer. This is the actual speed of boat, actual speed of current, 4 kilometer. So how can we get the along with speed of boat along with current? The speed of boat along with current equal to speed of boat in still water plus speed of current. That means 6 plus 4 kilometer, 10 kilometer per hour. অর্থাৎ speed of boat along with current 10 kilometer per hour. This is the answer. Question B. Now we solve question on C. What has said here? The question has said, how much time needed to travel 52 kilometer? How much time needed to boat travel 52 kilometer, where 52 kilometer along with current, where bracket is given in, there is another word in the bracket, the first 2 hours, where first 2 hours travel in still water. অর্থাৎ প্রথম 2 কিলোমিটারটা 2 আওয়ার্সটা স্টিল ওয়াটারে যায়। প্রথম how much distance they travel in 2 hours in still water? তাহলে in still water, what is the speed of boat in still water? 6 kilometer. So in 1 hour the boat travel along with current, still water, the boat travel in still water, still water still water in 2 hours 2 hours এ boat travel করে 6 into 2 kilometer, that means 12 kilometer. Among the 52 kilometer, listen to me, 52 kilometer in first 2 hours the boat travel 12 kilometer. The remaining distance remaining distance remaining distance 52 minus 12 kilometer, that means 40 kilometer. In this 40 kilometer the boat should travel along with current. In the question on B, we have get the speed of boat along with current 10 kilometer. So 10 kilometer is 10 kilometer travel in 1 hour, 40 kilometer travel how much hour? So along with current, from B we get along with current the boat travel 40 kilometer, sorry, along with current boat travel 10 kilometer in 1 hour. 10 kilometer travel করে in 1 hour. তাহলে the boat travel 1 kilometer 1 by 10 hour. So the remaining distance 40 kilometer. 40 kilometer travel করে, the boat travel 40 kilometer 10 1 into 40, that means it needs 4 hours. 4 hours. So total times, and in the still water the boat travel 2 hours, and next along with current it travel 4 kilometer, that means total time, so 4 hours. Our total time equal to 2 plus 4, 6 hour. This is the answer, 6 hours. This is our answer. 6 hour is our answer. The students, here the question on C, the boat travel still water in 2 hours. First 2 hours the boat travel still water, that means the boat travels in 2 hours, 6 into 2 12 kilometer. The remaining distance 52 minus 12, that means 40 kilometer. 40 kilometer travels in along with current. In the question on B, we get the along with current the boat travel 10 kilometer in 1 hour. So 1 kilometer travel 1 by 10 hour. So 40 kilometer travel 1 into 40 by 10. If we cutting the 40 and 10, we get 4. That means 4 hours. Our total time, how much time we need? The total time equal to 2 plus 4, 6 hour. Hence the answer. Okay. Dear students, this is our another problem, work related problem. In this problem, here is given 300 labor contract to construct a road in 30 days. That means 300 labor take contract that they can finish a road in 30 days. But after 20 days, sorry, but after 20 days, they can finish only half of road. Only half. Dear students, our first question, how many labor can finish the road in 1 day? How many labors needed to the road can finish in 1 day? So we can write 30 days. In 30 days can finish, road can finish, in 30 days construct road can construct বা can finish the road. construct road by 300 labor, 300 labors. সুতরাং in one day can construct, it has need more times, more labors, so it will be multiplication. 300 into 30, so it become 9,000 labor needed to construct the road in one day. Okay, or next question, question on B. If they can finish 20 days, half of the road, that means remaining road, half of road has been remained, baki half of road remaining রয়ে গেছে. So 300 labor, listen to me, dear students, question on B. After 20 days, time remain 10 days. That means in 10 days they can finish the remain half of road. In the 20 days they can finish half of road, and by remaining 10 days they can finish the same work. So we can write 20 in 20 days they can finish, in 20 days, half of 20 days, half of work done by 300 labor, 300 labors. সুতরাং in one day half of work done by more times of labor, so 300 into 20, so they can finish our remaining time 10 days. So in 10 days they can finish the work 300 into 20 by 10, so it become 10 to the 20, 600 labor. Our labor has only 300, but we need to the finish remain the we need to another more 300 labor to finish the work in time. So extra labor needed, extra labor needed, extra labor needed 600 minus 300 labor, answer 300 labor. Okay, this is the answer, labors. This is the, it has been solved. Question on B. Dear students, question on C. After 20 days due to bad weather, after 20 days due to bad weather, 5 days has been, the work has remained closed, 5 দিন কাজ বন্ধ থাকে, so remaining time only 5 days, and how much labor should be appointed but should be needed to finish the work in time. Baki 5 days if we want to finish the work বা complete the road, then how much labor we should need. Okay, dear students, after 20 days time remain, after 20 days time remain, 30 minus 20, 10 days, and due to bad weather work has been stopped work remain closed 5 days. So after 5 days, 5 days, due to waste of 5 days, due to waste of 5 days, 5 days ওয়েস্টের পরে রিমেইন remain 10 minus 5, that means only 5 days, only 5 days. So in 20 days, in 20 days, half of work done, half work or half of road done, half of road done by 300 labor. So in one day, half of road done by more times of labor, that means 300 into 20, 300 into 20 labors. So if we want to done the work in 5 days, in 5 days half of road done by 300 into 20 by 5. So if we cutting 20 by 5, it become 4, 1200. We have only 300 labors. So student, extra labor needed, extra labor needed 1200 minus 300, 900 labor needed. This is the answer. This is the answer. It become 1200. This is the answer. Dear students, we have discussed about the two problem, board and work related, on class 7 exercise 2.3. First we have solved the problem related to board, and another problem we have solved related to work. And the two problem, if you see the lecture in 2 or 3 times, then you can easily understand. Please, if you though you have problem, so you want to communicate with me in my comments or by our phone. So thank you. Thanks a lot. Assalamu alaikum.